This is Pewpew, a retro-styled arcade shooter, similar to old-school games from the 90s and early 2000s like House of the Dead, Time Crisis, and Virtual Cop. You simply hunt down aliens trying to rank up the highest score. But how did it all start? In this video, I'll take you through the entire development of the game, so without further ado, this is the story of Pewpew. It all started with this little device right here, the arcade game. Very creative name, I know. It's your typical bootleg game device with 153 games built into it. I got mine at a local electronics store for 3 Kuwaiti dinars, or $9 USD. I didn't think much of it, just a neat little thing to have in my video games collection, but one game caught my eye while randomly scrolling through it, The Agent. It's a very basic 2D shooter, but it was entertaining for what it was. But it left me with one thought in my mind. What if I made it, but in my style? And that was the start of our journey. I started by trying to draw a background and using simple graphics in Click Team Fusion, and started making the building blocks for the enemy's behavior, like their movement, speed, attack, health, etc. At first, the game looked really rough since I didn't know how to do animations, so I got some help from a friend who wishes to stay anonymous. After some back and forth, we settled on a Game Boy-inspired aesthetic and a space theme, making the targets aliens, and the weapons space-themed. After so many concepts and ideas, we got it. We made 3 different aliens, one that flies fast and doesn't attack, one that's slower but attacks, and one that's the poster child for the game, the middle ground of both types. But the game was missing something important: music and sound effects. That's when I reached out to Max Lazenby to help with the soundtrack. He did an amazing job on it. You can listen to the full thing through the link in the description. While you're down there, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And leave a like on the video. After finishing the basic gameplay, we started working on the player UI to display important information like health, amount of ammo the player has, and of course, the score. Inspired by the first Doom game with the character's face in the middle and the stats around it in a clear way. After that, I started working on the menus and options, making the game playable full screen, the option to turn on and off the static filter and timer, and audio and music controls. Second, we added ammo boxes and health packs that randomly drop to help the player survive for a longer time. Lastly, I implemented the Game Jolt API to display the highest scores online on the game page before testing and polishing everything before release. With testing done, it was time to publish the game, but that's not yet the end of our story. On the 16th of March 2023, the Arab Open University held the Student Development Day event, an event focused on technology and coding in collaboration between AOU's IT department, Tech Talk Club, and the ACBC Club. I was fortunate enough to have a panel in that event to show off Pewpew to the public. Even made a few custom pins to give away as a gift to the guests. It was a blast of good time, thanks to everyone who came by to the panel and tried the game. Hope you guys had as much fun as I did. And thanks to you for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, this is Khalid, signing out. See ya.